YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I'm going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. Jack of all tips and tricks. Just showing you, I got to cut this bolt off, and I'm showing you an easy way to chase the threads here after you get that done. As you can see, the threads are kind of all bunged up there. Clean that up a little bit. And if you see here, I put a nut on here so that when we come up with this nut here, it'll actually chase the threads for you so you can get it off and on. See how it's kind of hard right now? So putting one on would be really difficult if I hadn't have done that. Just take this, bring it off of there, and as you can see, it came off, and hopefully it should go back on again. It's a little stiff, but it'll definitely go on there. So anyway, that's the easy way of chasing your threads after you cut a nut or cut a bolt, and works real well. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.